Smoky Amaranth and black bean burger with red bell pepper sauce. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat an oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Wash and drain half a cup of amaranth. Place the washed amaranth into a saucepan, add 3/4 cup of water, add the leaves of 1 thyme sprig, add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, mix well, cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Place the heat to low and cook for 15 minutes or until the grains are tender. Meanwhile, finely dice 1 red capsicum, finely chop 1 small red chilli, finely dice 1 onion, finely chop 1 garlic clove. Heat a frying pan over high heat. Add the chopped red bell pepper, red chilli, onion and garlic and saute. Add 1/4 cup of water to deglaze the pan, then remove from the heat. In a large bowl, add 1½ cups of cooked beans. Add the sauteed peppers, onion, chilli and garlic. Add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add the cooked amaranth and mix well. Mash the black beans with your hands. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add brown rice flour and mix well. Add more flour if needed to ensure the mixture is firm enough to make a patty. Shape into 4 to 6 patties. Place the patties on a baking tray with baking paper. Place the patties into the oven and bake for 20 minutes, turning after 10 minutes. Meanwhile, slice 2 tomatoes and slice 1 red onion into thin crescents. For the sauce, place in a blender 1½ cups of homemade coconut milk, 1 red bell pepper, 1 garlic clove and 2 drops of Tabasco sauce. Blend to a puree, add salt and pepper to taste. To serve, slice 4 buns in half, place the layer of lettuce onto half of the bun, then tomato slices, then the hot patty, some red pepper sauce, some red onion slices, then top with the other half of the bun and serve.